We feel everyone's vibe for the day, but we want to thank everyone who's here tonight for spending the rest of the night with us. This night is very special for us since this is our first time to perform here, and we're very happy that we're here, of course, and with our team, with WT and the whole Monzi family. We're very happy to perform here, and we hope that you're very happy to see us too. Thank you so much, and yeah, please do enjoy the rest of the performance, okay? No, thank you. We love you guys so much. And again, thank you so much. And yeah, I think, well, you want to say something? Something. You want to say what? What?
No, we're just very thankful that all of you are singing, and you guys showed us how to actually enjoy this night with you. And we are enjoying our time here, and we are just grateful to everyone for putting their lights up and non-stop actually doing our request. Thank you. I hope you guys are not tired yet. No?